So let's take a look at a circle property. So I am going to construct a couple of points on a circle. Now, what happens if I connect that point with the center? What's that called? That's called a radius. What if I connect this point to the center of the circle? What do you think that would be called? Also a radius. What do you think I would find if I measured the angle to the center of the circle from those 2 points? That's actually what we call a central angle, because it's an angle made with the center of the circle. And it measures it no matter where I put it. I can do a bunch of crazy stuff with it. Now, I'm going to compare that with an angle on the other side of the circle. So I'm going to connect that line, and I'm going to connect this line. What do you think is going to happen when I measure that angle and compare it to my first angle? It looks to be about half. I checked to make sure. I guess I could take that angle and divide by that angle. So the central angle, the angle made with the center of the circle, is exactly 2 times as big as this inscribed angle on the other side of the circle. What if I changed how it looked? Let's say I moved this over here. Does it still work? What if I moved it over there? Does it still work? Is there anywhere you think I can move that where it wouldn't work? What do you think we could try? It's working, 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 and wow, it didn't work when it was over here. So maybe it's important that this angle or this point be anywhere on the other side of the circle. Do you think it would make any difference if I changed the angle that's made with the center? Let's try that. I change that angle. It changes the numbers, but what about the division? What about the fact that the central angle is still 2 times the inscribed angle? Is that still true? Seems to be. So what conclusion do you think we can make from this particular statement? I would say that the central angle is always 2 times the inscribed angle.